Hi friends, let's DIY this cute ring. First we need seed beads, and secondly, you need the wire. I am using a wire with a length of 27 centimeters here. Separate a 9 centimeters from the wire. Method to make this ring is very simple. You will learn quickly. Now, place both ends of the wire together and bend them at the center equally. Give a slight bend to one end of the wire that we cut earlier. Insert the bent part of the wire into the center and tightly secure it so that it doesn't come out. Now, you can see 3 wires. If you know how to make a braid, then this is very easy for you. Now, in the middle strand, insert 1 bead. Now, take one side of the wire and wrap the bead in an upward direction. As you can see, now insert a bead into the middle strand and make a braid. Repeat this process. It's straightforward to make. Just place a bead in the center and bring the side wires around it. Now, you all tell me in the comments who among you will try this. If you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Keep its length according to your ring finger. Now, twist all 3 wires together. Cut extra wires. Do not leave the edges like this. Make sure to secure them properly. I am using transparent nail polish to secure it.